My dear students, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mr. Zainal Abidin, English teacher, Mohammed City Public High School. I am going to teach you the uses of article today. You know that there are given a passage or a story in the uses of article. The passage or the story has 10 gaps with the number of with one number, and they are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and J. What will you do in this question item? You should read the passage carefully again and again. At first, you should imagine which article may be used in the gap. According to the rule of article, you know that in previous classes you have known that which article is used in which position. So today I will teach you the question item. At first, read the passage carefully. Dash and is an industrious dash insect. No other insect is as industrious as dash ant. If we open dash page of history, we shall see that dash men who have become great in dash world. We are industrious. Dash industrious are liked by all. On dash other hand, the idle are hated by dash all. So, industry is dash must to prosper in life. Now, you will have to write the answer number in this way. In this way, write the answer number of the gap. Then write only the answer word against the number. You need not write the complete passage. You only write the answer words against the number. Now come to the point number 1. What may be the needed article in this gap? This is the name of an animal, the group of an animal. So, ant will take the ant is an industrious insect. এখানে কি আর্টিকেলটা হতে পারে? কিছু কিছু জায়গা আছে আর্টিকেল বসে না, কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে আর্টিকেলের ব্যবহার হয় না। সেখানে যদি গ্যাপ থাকে তাহলে সেখানে ক্রস দিতে হয়। বাট ইউ মাস্ট নো দ্যাট ক্রস ইজ নট অ্যান আর্টিকেল। এ গ্যাপ where an article is not needed, you must put there a cross. insect, industrious is an adjective and there is an article. So there is must cross. It will be cross. There, because there is no article used in this gap. No other insect is as industrious as the ant. As the ant. So number C will take the. Number C will take the article. Next, if we open dash page of, now of and the, there is a relation. The page of history, so it will be the page of history. We shall see that the man এখানেও দি বসবে, ইতেও দি বসবে। The man who have become great in the world. The man who have become great in the world. Who have become great in the world. World, that means পৃথিবী. The article will be the. Wire industrious. Next, number Z. What will be the article needed here? This is an adjective. যখন অ্যাডজেক্টিভের আগে দি বসানো হয়, এখানে একটা প্লুরাল নাম্বার তৈরি হয়। ওই অ্যাডজেক্টিভ সম্পন্ন সকলকে বোঝাবার জন্য এখানে অ্যাডজেক্টিভের আগে দি বসে। সো ইট উইল বি দি। Now come to the number A's. On dash other hand, in the number G, the industrious are liked by all. On the other hand, this is a phrase. There is no rule of article. Article এর ব্যবহারের কোনো নিয়ম এখানে চলবে না। On the other hand, it will be the. On the other hand, the idle are hated by and number I will take no article. So you will put here cross. Then so industry is dash must to prosper in life. So industry is dash must. A must. Industry is a must to prosper in life. You must answer the question item in this way. You cannot break the serial of this number. You cannot break the serial of this number. If you break the serial, your correct answer will be cut by the examiner. So you must write the answer serially. My dear students, now I have come to the end. Today I am finishing the class. Next we will see and then I will try to teach you another question item next class. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. Goodbye.